And welcome back to my new video. My today video recording is related to use a firewall as a DHCP server. Okay, so consider this my topology that I'm currently using for my testing. There is a LAN user which is connected to Ethernet 1/05 interface, and he is a member of VLAN 1. And the firewall is also part of a VLAN 1, and it's connected to Ethernet 1/0/3, and we want the firewall to allocate the IP addresses to the LAN users. Okay, so in my exercise I'm using the Fortinet firewall. So let's log into the firewall and apply the desired configuration to achieve our goal. So this is my login page for the Fortinet firewall. So to apply the desired configuration, what we have to do is we have to log into the firewall and we have to edit our LAN interface, right? So the LAN interface is, according to our PPT slide, the LAN interface is having the same range IP address. The IP address of the LAN interface in my case is 10.90.90.10, okay, /8, and I want the firewall to use the below range as a DHCP pool. Okay, and this is the LAN IP address of the firewall, which is in my case is port 2. So as you can see that the name is LAN port, the alias is LAN, and the physical interface I am using, and the role is also set to the LAN. Let me show you again. This is the physical port 2 in my scenario. Okay, I'm using port 2 as a LAN interface. So this is the IP address as per my PPT here, 10.90.90.10. okay, so I don't have to do any additional things. I only have to apply the DHCP server configuration. So under the LAN interface I have to enable this button, and here I have to define the desired range. So in my case I want to use this 10.90.90. 221 till 254. So this is 221, and I will just copy, and I will use the hyphen sign in between, and I will use as 254. So I want to use only the range from 221 till 254 as my DHCP address range. This is the net mask, and there is no need to touch any additional thing. This is the only thing we have to do to define the DHCP pool in the Fortinet firewall. I will just click on the firewall, click OK and OK. That's it. Okay, let's verify. Go to firewall and see the configuration is already applied and the status is enabled. Okay, so I have one client which is connected to port number 5. Okay, so let me show you the switch configuration. This is my switch. I'm using D-Link switch, and this is a VLAN 1. As I show you that the VLAN 1 is, this is port 3, port 3. As you can see, port 3 I'm using to, which is connected to the firewall, and the client is connected to port number 5. So let me show you the port 5 configuration. Port 5 is also part of VLAN 1. Okay, so I have one client, this is which is connected to port 5, and I will enable here. Once I enable this Ethernet LAN interface of the client PC, it should receive the IP address from the range of 10.10.10, 10.90.90, the one we defined on the firewall. And if I show you the details, as you can see that the detail of the IP range that he received is from 10.90.90.21. This is the default gateway, which is 10.90.90.10, the firewall interface. Let me show you here in the firewall. As you can see, the firewall interface is having the IP address of 10.90.90.10. So as you can see that this is my 10.90.90.10, the IP address of the firewall, and this is the DHCP server, which is 10.90.90.10, the same interface of the firewall. Okay, so 10.90.90.10 is the one who's distributing the IP address to this LAN user. Okay, so that's it for now. This is a very small, a basic exercise that I used to using the Fortinet firewall to use as a DHCP server and to allocate the IP address to the LAN users. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.